So, good morning. So, let's start today's problem. A series circuit with R and C has applied voltage that current leads the circuit by 30 degree. What is the frequency of voltage? So, let's draw the circuit first before going into the first step is to step. We have to go step by step. First circuit, then phasor, then analysis, then final answer. So circuit is I'm having a resistance as well as a capacitance, and I'm giving an applied voltage V like this to the circuit. Then to the circuit, this current I is going to the circuit. R is its resistance, which is equal to 10 ohm. Then C is a capacitance. VR is the applied voltage across resistance, and VC is the applied voltage across capacitance. So V is equal to vector sum of VR plus VC, vector sum. Also, it is given that the current, overall current I, this current I lead V by an angle 30 degree. That is a hint given. We are asked to find out the frequency of voltage, right? So as a second step, what we are doing is we are going to draw the phasor diagram. So we are going to do the phasor diagram, right? So for drawing the phasor diagram, since this is a series circuit, we have to keep current as reference. So I am keeping my current as reference value. Then I have to draw voltage. So here for a resistance circuit, VR will be in phase to that of the current. So I have to draw VR like this. This is my VR in phase to that of my current. In a capacitor circuit, what is the voltage we see? With respect to voltage, current is leading, and with respect to, see, I'm drawing VC like this. See, over here VC is this is the current through the capacitor I, and see that current is leading the voltage by an angle 90 degree, perfectly 90 degrees there. So what is the resultant voltage? This is my resultant voltage. See, this is my resultant voltage V, right? So where we know that V equal to VR plus VC. So this vector VR vector plus VC vector will give you the resultant vector. Then we also know that what is the angle between I and V? Let this be phi. And in the question it is given to be is equal to 30 degrees. See, the current, overall current is leading the voltage by an angle equal to 30 degrees. So we know that our phi is equal to 30 degree. Now I'm going to draw, since only impedance data is given, I'm going to draw an impedance triangle. So I'm going to draw an impedance triangle. So from the voltage triangle itself, I can draw an impedance triangle like this. See, I'm going to mark all the parameters. Instead of VC, I could write I into XC. Instead of V, I could write I into Z. Instead of VR, I could write I into R. So this is my resistance R, this is my XC, this is my Z. So this is phi. So what is tan phi? Tan phi is equal to adjacent side, that is R, divided by opposite side, XC, right? So also we know that what is phi, 30 degree we know, and R is given as 10 in the circuit, XC. So we know that what is XC stands for 1 by C into omega, which is equal to 1 by C is given as 50 into 10 raised to minus 6 into omega is 2 pi F. So I am going to write it as 1, it will come on numerator, so equal to into 50 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 2 pi F. Solving the above equation, we will get frequency to be equal to 554 Hertz. See, this is the final answer. It's the frequency of the capacitor supply voltage. The supply voltage is having the frequency given 554.4 Hertz. Thank you.